Today we picked up a Harbor Freight tool that we needed for a job. As you can hear, you can probably guess what it already is. It's a demolition hammer, or a kind of demolition hammer, I should say. Picked up from Harbor Freight because, you know, why not? Cheap. I'm going to show you the specs of this thing real quick and then show you how it performs. Alright, I really hope you all can hear me on this one. So this is what I'm referring to. Bauer by Eddie Bauer. Yeah, we use designer now. I don't know what Bauer is. Never really heard of it except Harbor Freight carries them. So, a 15 amp, 1300 BPM, 35 pound pro demolition hammer kit. Here are the specs, which you probably are more interested in here. Amps 15, impact rate 1300 BPM, impact energy 13 foot-pounds, volts 120 volts AC, chuck size 1 1/8, power cord 16 feet, and then net weight 35 pounds. Not too heavy. What do we come with? 2 chisels, a wrench, chisel grease, and replacement brushes and carry case. Oh yeah, anti-vibration control. Heavy duty guaranteed. Those are the quick specs for this demolition hammer. Let's go ahead and check out how this thing performs. I'll also leave the link down below so you guys will be able to check that out and view any more specs and information on that thing. Let's go check it out. Alright, today's task is to remove this pebble mosaic flooring right over here. We've already, actually we've done a good chunk of it already. Using, there it is, the piece. There it is. That's one of the chisels that you get in the kit. Yeah, big man. You're supposed to get that in one piece. Oh yeah, good stuff. As I said, this is the pebble mosaic flooring. Alright, so we just finished up this entire sunroom. Hopefully you guys can see that. This entire sunroom using the Bauer demolition hammer. This thing took us about an hour to do. Made it into 4 pieces, and then with that we were able to dig underneath and take the pieces out. Fairly easy. Some rotting plywood underneath. It's pretty bad actually. Okay, boys and girls, we have here the Bauer Demo Hammer kit right in front of us. Now, cool thing about this thing is, 1, we got a carrying case for this thing. So that makes transport for this thing a lot easier. 2, we got wheels. We have wheels. You know what that means? That means we could potentially take this on an airline as a carry-on. Case quality, actually pretty good, not too bad. Three little locks on this thing. Here it is, in all its glory, the Bauer Demo. Whoa, hang on. 35 pound pro demolition hammer kit. This is obviously your owner's manual and instructions booklet. Pretty cool. They also give us a set of carbon brush. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, they're in there. Here are all the contents that you get with this demo hammer. Obviously, the hammer itself. You got a nice wrench in here, you know, to help you out. We got a tub of grease for those lonely days. And then we have here the power cord, which is actually fairly long. I think in the book it said 16 feet long, so you actually got a good amount of tug there. Moving on to the 2 chisels that are included with this kit. This is the chalk. This is the pointed one. Pretty good. And here's the actual chalk itself. Let me go ahead and focus on that real quick. Alright, see if this is any better. So that is the style that's going to work for this bad boy. Any other style, I'm not quite sure. The chalk size again was mentioned earlier in the video. I don't remember. This is the style. Pointed. The other one is the one we used for the job you saw earlier. This is the flat chisel. Light. Very good. That's the same style as this thing at the top. That's the chalk fitting. Now on to the hammer itself. Bauer. Additional handle over here makes things a little bit easier to move around when you're working. Let's go ahead and pick this bad boy up. Here it is. This is the trigger. If I can get it real quick here. There you go. Trigger. Now what's also cool about this is you have like a cruise control function over here. So you push the trigger and then you push that button in. Whoops. Push that button in and it keeps the trigger locked in place so you don't have to hold the thing down when you're working continuously. So here we go again. The additional handle makes it a little bit more ergonomical and comfortable. This, of course, is what locks the additional handle in place. You need to have that off, unfortunately, to fit this thing in its carrying case. Let's go ahead and set this thing down, if I can. And it's only 35 pounds, I should be able to. Let's just get a quick glimpse at what's metal and what's not. Chalk lever lock. Metal. 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 Plastic. Plastic. That's okay. You don't want everything to be metal. It's going to be stupid dumb heavy if it is. And of course a rubber guard. But why am I doing that? Because you can already tell it's rubber. Brush motor one here. Other one should be on the opposite side. Right there. And then a grease cap cover is right there. So we went with this one. This one is on the Harbor Freight shelf for $350. Pretty good. The one above this is $450. Obviously way more powerful, but also way more heavier. It wasn't going to work for us. This was actually the perfect choice. The other one was just an overkill, if I'm honest. This thing did the job with ease. I mean, if you do concrete stuff every now and then, this is perfect for that kind of situation. But if you do it every single day, back to back, non-stop, then you might want to go and opt for the higher one, the $450 model. Obviously stronger, but of course much heavier to lug around, so it has its drawbacks. But again, this was perfect for our situation and for our use. We don't do this every single day, so better. It's $100 cheaper. It's lighter. Does the job with ease, actually, depending. You guys saw how thick that Duroc and pebble mosaic flooring was. It was super heavy. You should have seen it when we loaded the truck. That thing was tilted again, but it's a Ford. If you do deal with demolition and breaking concrete every now and then this is probably your best option for the price. It's for that every now and then situation, not for that every day. However, putting this to the test, it actually did fulfill quite successfully. And we got that 1-year warranty, so I got a year to put this thing through hell. So if you find yourself in a situation where you have to break some concrete, but not on a daily basis, I would go ahead and opt for this 35-pound demolition hammer from Harbor Freight. Not too bad for $350. Pretty good. So do yourself a favor and pick that up. Or you know what, go to Home Depot and buy the DeWalt one. That's $900. Do that, and you know, we'll have a competition. You'll probably win, but I'm sure this thing will put up a fight.